Welcome to Studio Biology. In this video, we are going to compare the various underground modifications of a stem, that is tuber, rhizome, bulb, and corm. First of all, tuber. Tuber is specialized oval or spherical underground swollen stem branch. It lacks adventitious roots, but it possesses few to many eyes. That is, these eyes represent the nodes. Now, what is rhizome? Rhizome is underground branched prostrate or horizontally growing stem with nodes and internodes. Then bulb. Bulb is underground pyriform or spherical structure that possesses highly reduced discoid stem which is covered by scaly leaves. Now next one is corm. Corm is thick, swollen, short, usually unbranched, spherical or subspherical underground stem showing vertical orientation. Now we can compare the structures. This is a tuber, stem tuber of potato. These are the terminal buds, and this structure is known as an eye. An eye represents a node, and each node is having a circular depression which is known as a bud. So each eye is having buds. This is the structure of rhizome. We can observe the nodes and internodes. And these nodes and internodes are covered by scaly leaves. These are adventitious roots which are coming out from the lower portion of the nodes. Now this is a bulb. In section we can observe that the discoid stem. This is the apex of discoid stem which is covered over by fleshy leaves. The outer cover is of tunic, or that's why it is known as a dry tunic is there, so it is known as tunicated bulb. In case of garlic, we can observe many bulblets. So that group of bulblets is non-tunicated. So this is onion section, and the adventitious roots are coming out from its base. This is a corm. Corm is having vertical orientation, And it's very important that it is having the circular nodes. These are internodes in between. Scaly leaves are also there. This is corm, new corms growing. These are new corms. This is representing a daughter corm, and the adventitious roots are coming out from the lower portion. Now, we'll compare the branching. This is usually unbranched. This is branched. This is unbranched. This is unbranched. So branching can be observed usually in case of rhizome. Now, the roots. It doesn't bear roots. Here, the adventitious roots come out from lower portion of nodes. In case of bulbs, bulb bears roots at its base. Same in case of corm, base gives rise to adventitious roots. Now, some points regarding the nodes. Nodes are present as eyes, and these eyes are spirally arranged depressions. Here the nodes are there, but these are not non-circular. So these are non-circular nodes present. Here nodes are not conspicuous. As the stem is highly reduced. And in the last case, it's very important that circular nodes are present. We can observe that these are circular nodes, these are present. Food is stored in underground thick stem. In rhizomes, food is stored in swollen underground stem. In bulbs, scaly leaves store the food, while in corm, underground swollen stem store the food. Now the examples. Examples include Solanum tuberosum, which is also known as potato. Another example is Dioscorea bulbifera, which is also known as yam or zameen kan. Next example is Helianthus tuberosus, which is also known as Jerusalem artichoke. Rhizome include Canna, Curcuma domestica, which is also known as turmeric. Next example is Gingiva officinale, which is also known as ginger and then gloriosa. In bulbs, there are two types of bulbs. First one is tunicated. These tunicated bulbs include Allium cepa, that is onion, and another type is non-tunicated bulb. These bulbs are basically representing a group of cloves, and the example include Allium sativum, that is garlic. In corms, the examples include aroids. Aroids is basically the common name for members of family Araceae, in which Amorphophallus, Colocasia esculenta, commonly known as RV, are included. Also, few members of family Iridaceae are also included, like Gladiolus and Crocus sativus, commonly known as saffron. So these are the various examples of underground modifications of stem. Thanks for watching this video.